Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Zara discount code in its sales and promotion. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So the only way you can go ahead and do so is going to be by simply go ahead and adding something to your cart. So for example, let's just say if I want to get something like this, I'm just going to go ahead and click on add. Let's just say any size that I want. And then I'm going to go ahead and head into my basket. And once I'm inside of my basket, now, once I'm in my basket, all I need to do is click on continue. And then when about to check out, there is going to be a section which is going to say enter promo or enter discount code, and simply go ahead and enter your code right over there. And that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.